Wake up. Wake up. I guess I got. Come on, Knuckles. Hey, what's on my G's? Bro, you're not even. No, mind. Just come here. Alrighty then. So, like, what do you want? What? Can you wake up, Tails? Bro, you made me drive 12 miles here just you to say to wake up, Tails. Oh my! No, I'm going home. Wait, bro, you don't hear the hearing? Bro, I literally don't have ears. How I'm gonna hear? Oh yeah. Well, can you wake him up or something before you leave? Fine. Charles, wake up. Wake up. Wake up. That doesn't work. What I'm gonna do? If I punch him, he'll literally just get knocked out and sleep again. You know that? Damn it, you're right. I guess just no, I don't know. Just I don't really know. Can you get Shadow here? Bruh, you really, first of all, you told me to go get over here. Second, now you want me to get Shadow? Yes. Fine. Where's Shadow? He's here. What do you want, Faker? You know I need my beauty sleep. Can you wake up Tails? Yeah, I'm leaving. Shadow. That didn't work. What now? What? I don't know.
Yeah. Wait. What happened?
Yeah. The end.